I have never felt more like a Disney princess than I have waking up in our room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. Stick around to see all the magic and hidden Mickeys as we take you on a tour of our room in this Honest Hotel Review. Hi everyone, this is Julia with Honest Hotel Reviews, and in today's video I am so excited to share my honest review and room tour of the Woods/Courtyard View room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. This place is the crowning jewel hotel at the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California, and has some amazing amenities to match, which we review in some of our other videos. So if you're interested, we'd love it if you go check them out. As always, this video isn't sponsored, so if you find it helpful, lend us a hand and help our channel grow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let our conscience be your guide. As a die-hard Disney fan, I've dreamt of staying at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel ever since it opened in 2001. And after a rough few years, Ben and I decided life is too short and there is no time like the present. So we packed up our Minnie ears and Mickey hats and embarked on our journey to one of the happiest hotels on earth. The excitement I felt walking into room 4327 was unprecedented. As we opened the door, I could feel butterflies in my stomach and goosebumps all over my arms from the pure joy of my 19-year dream coming to life. But in reality, it turned out to be so much better than I expected. There is a magic in the craftsman wood detailing and the art and design in the room that I truly wasn't expecting. Even though I'd seen so many pictures and videos from my hours of research over the years. Where the decor in the Disneyland hotel rooms appeals to my inner child that will never grow old, the Grand Californian hotel rooms satisfy my wish for a more sophisticated magic. It almost feels like Snow White designed your room, inspired by her fond memories of living in the modest cabin in the woods with the 7 dwarfs and the forest animals, then moving into the castle with her prince. It's like she took the best parts of both worlds and combined them into this room. The room has an aura of an enchanted forest, with a natural, warm-toned color scheme, with handcrafted wood furniture pieces and accents throughout the room. There are little hidden Mickeys and woodland creatures scattered around to keep you company, and not the kind we've seen at some questionable good neighbor hotels. The king bed is the centerpiece of the room, and the attention to detail in its design is what dreams are made of. The pristine snow white linens have a leaf pattern that draw you back into that enchanted forest vibe, and the mattress is cozy as a cloud. But what really draws the eye as soon as you enter the room is the intricate design behind the headboard of the bed. The 2 beautiful orange trees seem to sprout from the wooden bedside tables, where Chip and Dale reside to watch over your good night's sleep. This theme continues throughout the room. Like the bedside tables, the desk and the set of drawers are beautiful, rustic wood pieces and finished with a stone top. There are more than enough lights, charging stations, and outlets throughout the room. The large flat-screen TV has the Disneyland Resort channel that provides you with the daily events schedule and resort updates so you don't miss anything. But it also plays acoustic Disney favorites, adding some extra magic to your stay. Every room has a balcony, and when booking, you have the option to choose between several different view types to enhance your stay, for a fee. We upgraded from a basic hotel room to a courtyard/woods view, and it significantly added to the enjoyment of our stay. From our balcony, we had a view of the surrounding trees with the monorail running past our room. Since we faced Disney's California Adventure, we could even see Grizzly Peak, and faintly hear the morning's rope drop announcement from our balcony. There was a small patio set with 2 padded chairs and a small table that allowed us to relax in comfort and still feel immersed in the magic of the park. The bathroom here is one of my favorites in all of the Disneyland Resort. Double vanities are hard to come by in resorts, so I was so excited to see one here. Since there are 2 sinks, which take up some valuable counter space, they make up for it by adding an additional ledge for your things. There is sufficient lighting from the lit mirror, plus they have a full-sized hairdryer, Disney H2O Plus toiletries, a magnified lit side mirror, plenty of towels, and they even have a wooden stool with a hidden Mickey. Through a pocket door beside the vanity, you'll find the toilet, the glorious shower with a tiled surround, and even more hidden Mickeys. This shower is the best shower we've come across so far at the Disneyland Resort. It not only has an adjustable shower head, but it also has a rain shower. This hotel has some of the best water pressure we've found in Anaheim. Some other amenities in this room include a very small but efficient corner that includes a bar top, glassware, a coffee maker, a mini fridge, and then beside it there's a wardrobe with a safe, extra bedding, ironing board, luggage stand, hangers, and signature Grand Californian terry cloth robes. I think it's important to mention that I don't trust hotel robes, but this is one of the few hotels where I would trust to wear the robe and know that it's clean. Now it's time for us to reveal our room ratings for the Disney Grand Californian Hotel. We rate every room we stay in based on the same 4 categories, which are cleanliness and condition, comfort and security, in-room amenities, and value. That way you can see how they stack up against each other. First up is cleanliness and condition. The only dust you'll find in this hotel room is pixie dust. A perfect score in any category is really hard to come by because I'm super picky. But as of summer 2020, this is the only hotel room that has earned the coveted 5 out of 5 for cleanliness and condition. And I've stayed in a lot of hotels. Not only was it perfectly clean, but the condition of the room was also perfect. No complaints here. We are happy to make this the gold standard that we compare all other rooms to. Next up is comfort and security. The beds here are some of the best beds in any hotel at the Disneyland Resort. Not too soft, not too firm, just right. Even though we were right beside the monorail, we were really surprised at how little we could hear it when we had our sliding door closed. We felt very secure in our room, but I should mention there is a door to the adjoining room, which is pretty common for lots of hotels in the area. Just make sure that your side is locked. You also want to make sure that you lock your sliding door every time you leave your room, no matter what hotel you're staying in. I have seen photos and videos of some king rooms that have a full couch rather than just one chair, so that may have knocked them up an extra half point. But overall, we were really happy, so we gave them a 4 out of 5. When it comes to in-room amenities, we were really impressed with how organized and well laid out everything was. There were only 2 areas that they could have improved on. The first The fridge was really shallow, so it's really hard to fit many things in. We ordered a pizza one night and wanted to save some for the days to come. While we knew the box wouldn't fit, we were really surprised to find the paper plates were too deep to allow the door to close. Also, there's no microwave in their standard hotel rooms. But all in all, things were great, so we gave them a 4 out of 5. The last category is value, and here's where things get really tough. Even though this is one of my higher rated hotel rooms in every other category, it can be really hard to justify this price. Disney's Grand Californian Hotel is really expensive, and sure, you get a lot of bang for your buck, but is it really worth it? After all, it's really just a standard hotel room that's been zhuzhed up with some Disney magic. If the price tag doesn't make you bat an eye and you're a Disney diehard like me, hands down, you should stay at the Grand Californian. No other hotel at the Disneyland Resort is as fully immersive and integrated into a park as this one. But let's face it, a lot of us could find a decent hotel room for 3 or 4 nights for the price of one night here. So I could really only give them a 3.5 out of 5 for value. Keep in mind that this score just reflects the room and not the value of the overall resort. We'll touch on that in another video. This gives our room at Disney's Grand Californian an overall score of 4.125 out of 5. To put it honestly, Ben and I will be back 100%, but only for 2 to 3 nights at a time and only for really special occasions. For more information on Disney's Grand Californian Hotel, check out our resort tour and review video. If you're planning a trip to the Disneyland Resort and you found this video helpful, we would love your support. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.